Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name's Leanne and welcome and hope you stick around and all that kind of stuff. Well, you probably want to wait till after the video to see if you actually want to stick around and whether you enjoy it or not. And if you do, then please hit that, little subscribe button. Okay, anyway. It is Sephora Playtime. I got my box yesterday, but I filmed like 3 videos yesterday and I was really tired. So I figured I'd wait till today to film it. I'm probably going to get this up later. So for those of you who do not know, Sephora Play is, yes, associated with the store and brand Sephora, and it is $10 a month. And in it you get usually like 5 samples of all of the products that they carry in Sephora. A lot of people like this box because some people don't like indie brands or like chain brands that they don't know or that they can't have really easy access to. So Sephora is good because everything that's in these are what they have in Sephora, so it makes it easier. So that's what's a little bit different about it. But I'm going to be quiet and we're going to get into this. Oh, and just so you know, I finally figured out the easy way to open this. You just kind of pop this open. Yeah, I was struggling just a little bit. Just so you know. Alright, let's see what this month's bag is. And inside... yeah, I can't read. Okay. Anyway, this always comes with like a pamphlet or like a little flyer, and it's really cute. Again, they've been doing such a cute job every month with these. I've only had this for a few months, and so far, like, I'm really, really enjoying it. This one says, "Welcome to the Boardwalk." And on the back it says Summer Nights. We'll go over all of this because this does tell you what the products are and the prices and everything. And as usual, it comes with a card for 50 extra Sephora points. They call it Play. And you can get, if you are a VIB, which you should be because it's free, doesn't cost you anything, and you get free stuff. And look at the bag! Look at the bag! It is a cloth bag. It feels like linen, almost. Not linen, yeah, but that type of like summery cloth material. And it's got beautiful colors, and it says hot, hot, hot. I'll hold it up for a minute. You can see with the pink ribbon. These bags are really, really cute. I like them. So without further ado, let's just get into it and see what we have. I'm feeling a big box. Well, not a big box. It's a small bag. But I'm feeling a box in here, so I'm going to pull that out first. I obviously have no idea what's in here. Ooh, okay. It is from Murad. I enjoy certain things from Murad because some of their ingredients, some of their products have ingredients that are like, you could do better. But for the most part, I do like it. I will have to look into this. This is the Age Reform Nutrient Charged Water Gel. Water gels are perfect for summertime because they are lighter weight, and for me, I know that my skin changes and I don't need as heavy of a moisturizing cream in the summer as I do in the winter. So I'm going to look more in this. We will read up on it, but so far that's pretty cool, and I think, let's just look into it. Oh, okay. They have these big boxes, but these little jars, but I have to say, these little jars last a decently long time. Oh, how cute. It's pink. And it matches the theme of the box. I wonder if they did that on purpose. Okay, let's go into the next thing. Next thing is the perfume sample. I can tell from the feel, and I love getting perfume samples. This month is by Bulgari and is Amnia Pink Sapphire. I have a Bulgari perfume, and it's, I have a whole bottle of it, and I'm just on the fence about it. I think it's a more of the heavier one. But again, is everything pink? Is everything going to be pink in this box? Okay, let's try it. You know, it's so funny. It has that same type of musky scent that the regular Bulgari that I have, but it's lighter and it's softer. Let me see if I can tell you what it says for like I hate calling it notes. It's so weird. And part of it's in Italian, so we're going to skip over that. A new sparkling floral olfactive experience. Yeah, usually. Inspired by sensorial precious gem. A festive fragrance built on the solar and delicate scent of the pink Flangipani? Oh, I don't know. Flower. Distilling daring notes. The explanations that these companies put crack me up. I like it. It's summery, and I'm enjoying it. It's not as heavy. Okay, let's see. I have a bottle of some sort, and the bottle is... Yay! Clinique Take the Day Off. Is this the, yep, this is the eye makeup remover. This has been my go-to because I haven't found anything. Even this doesn't take everything off, but out of all of the eye makeup removers that I have, this one is absolutely my favorite. It's one of the ones that you do have to shake up. You can see it turns into a slightly milky color when you do shake it, and then it slightly separates. So I enjoy this, and this is a decent size. This will last me quite a bit of time. I just recently finished my other sample that lasted me a long time. Okay, so I'm really happy so far. It's something with a spray or a pump on it, and it is. Oh, I got another one of these. Did we get one of these in the last one? This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I couldn't try the other one because it was way too dark on me. This one is in Y245. Let's see if this color is going to be any better. Alright, it's slightly watery, as you can see. It has a fairly thin consistency. This might be a good color for me. I mean, not that the hand is a good indication, but you can see it blended into my hand beautifully. Has no discernible scent. Okay, I will be anxious to try it because I've been wanting to try it, but I haven't. There's a couple of other foundations I want to try first. So I haven't actually gone out and bought it yet. So we will see. I'll let you know. The next thing is a Too Faced Melted Matte. I do have several of these. Unfortunately, I bought some I bought the wrong colors for me, and I was zombified. You know, I don't know if you saw that video, but yeah, some of these do make me look like a zombie. This looks like a pink. Cool-toned pinks tend to make me look dead. Yeah. But here is the applicator. I do like the formula, though, I will tell you. I may have this one already. I'm really hoping that this looks good on me, because it's a pretty color, but some of them just don't work. You know what? Let's try it. I have only a nude lipstick on, so. Okay, I am very happy because this is a color that I can totally wear. Look, it actually really goes well with what I'm wearing, so that's fabulous. I'm going to leave it on my hand so you can see the dry down time. I think there's one more thing left. Oh, and here's the cap to the Makeup Forever. I'm glad it comes with the cap. And, okay, this is the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. It's supposed to get rid of your frizz. It does nothing for mine. I'm not really thrilled about this. I'll probably put this in a giveaway. It might work for somebody else, but this, they say it's supposed to be great. It doesn't do anything for my frizz whatsoever, and I have a lot of frizz that I need to take care of. So, unfortunately, that's a no-no for me, but everything else I am super thrilled about. The Murad HD I'm going to have to check on, and let's read up on the card and see, or the pamphlet, whatever, and see what information and prices and things like that they do give. Now, if I have enough time, I usually put the price breakdown of what these items that we actually received are, as compared to the prices. And are they putting the prices? Okay, they don't put the prices, but that's okay. So the first thing they're talking about is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. Again, as I said, it's in Y245. It is a lightweight, medium coverage foundation that hydrates for a flawless face. I want to make sure it does not have denatured alcohol in it, and right now I don't know. What makes it hot? Besides being available in 40 shade ranges, which I think is phenomenal, thank you, Makeup Forever, this Summer Makeup Bag Essential provides seamless sheer coverage. So first they're saying that it's sheer coverage, and then they're saying it's lightweight to medium. We'll have to see which one it is. That lasts. Ideal for all skin types. It leaves you with a comfortable natural finish. Okay, so again, I think the color is good, so we'll be finding out if that works. The next one is the Too Faced Melted Matte. I'm so glad they gave us a nice color. This is the Liquefied Long Wear Matte Lipstick. Oh, and the shade is Queen Bee. I neglected to say that. What makes it hot? When you're too busy at a summertime soiree to check your lipstick, this one has you covered with a no sting plumper. I don't think it plumps. avocado oil and vitamin E. It's ultra matte formula, nurtures and stays put, so you can too. Now, I don't think this is too matte for me. I'm normally not a fan of super matte lipsticks because they don't look good on me, but I like it. Okay, so I'm super happy about that. Oh, the humidity. I wish it was true. Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream, a frizz taming styling cream that blocks moisture in the air without weighing hair down. I wish it worked. Again, for me. I guess it works for a lot of other people. So, the silicone-free, color-safe cream, which is good. Smooths hair texture and moisturizes for a polished look that's ready for any occasion. How to use, it has this in red. Tip, avoid running fingers through hair too much during the day. The more you touch, the more frizz will follow. That's not just for this, that is for any type of thing. Okay, Clean Like a Dream. As I said, I love this stuff. I'm so happy to get another bottle, and this is a really decent size sample of it. Clinique does give decent size samples. I'm sorry, my fan is on, so of course my hair's in my way. Take the Day Off by Clinique Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. A gentle formula that removes makeup without tugging, stinging, or irritating. It does not sting your eyes in the least, which is fabulous. I do have to spend a little bit of time really getting my mascara and my eyeliner off, but I said out of all the ones I've tried, so far this is the best. If you guys have any other recommendations for a makeup remover that easily takes things off, please let me know. What makes it hot? Not even the toughest waterproof mascara is a match for this tried and tested oil-free makeup remover that has a blend of silicones to dissolve your boldest looks. As I said, you still have to work a little bit, but anyway. Okay, so cool, but that's the one I'm using, so I love it. All's Well That Gels Well. Murad, the nutrient-charged water gel. What makes it hot? Your skin is a little thirstier in the summer, and this gel helps you moisturize like a boss with vitamins and soothing ingredients that alleviate dryness. They say to keep it in the refrigerator if you want to bring like a little chill. I like to do that, except my refrigerator is not on the same floor as and it's a little inconvenient to have to run downstairs and get your stuff out of the refrigerator in the morning. Okay, and the last one, of course, is the Bulgari oops, Summer Bloom. Oh, kadokis. An uplifting, effervescent floral scent with a mix of bright tropical notes and warm, welcoming undertones. Bulgari is a luxury Italian brand that crafts opulent jewelry as well as uber feminine fragrances. I sound like Elmer Fudd. Inspired by the founder's Mediterranean homeland and ingredients sourced from around the world. I do like the packaging. It's really cute, and again, it's a really nice summer fragrance. Now let's look at the back for a minute, or giving you ideas for how to, I guess, summer-proof your makeup. Hydration station, and no filter photo booth and things like that. So it's, as I said, it's fun. I enjoy just looking at these, and of course I enjoy the 50 play points, which I forgot to use in my last Sephora order. It's really annoying, like you have to like stick these on your forehead, like, you know, this, in order to remember to use the points. I should just finish the video out like this, you know what I mean? I wish they just made it easier to remember. Like, you should be able to like log these into your account, and just so when you do place an order. Anyway, I'm just complaining. So overall, I am thrilled with this box. To me, it's definitely over $10 for sure. I'm really thrilled. I think I'll put this in a giveaway for you guys. Hopefully one of you can enjoy it and use it. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining me. As I said, it's wonderful to spend time with you guys, and this is my solace and my enjoyment. And let's look at this lipstick. It smudges teeny tiny bit, but I did put it on thick. So that's okay. I think for the most part it is going to absolutely stay put. Just putting it out there. Well, that's it. I'm going to stop rambling. I hope you guys have an amazing day, have an amazing week, and I hope you come back and visit me really soon. Give me a thumbs up if you would like to. If it makes you happy, it would make me happy. And I will see you guys in the next one. As always, bye.